Hey, folks! Today's cooking tip is about a fantastic organic face cleanser. Say goodbye to harmful chemicals and hello to a natural glow with this easy recipe. Here's what you'll need: 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Baking soda is a gentle exfoliant, while coconut oil is a hydrating ingredient, making it perfect for your skin. Now, let's make our organic face cleanser. Mix baking soda and coconut oil in a jar. The mixture will create a paste that's easy to apply. Time to cleanse. Wet your face and gently massage the paste in circular motions for about 10 seconds before rinsing it off with warm water. Remember to follow up with your regular moisturizer. Simple, right? Try this organic face cleanser and feel the difference on your skin. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and recipes. Thanks for tuning in.